Welcome to Extra. So today what we are going to see an important topic, that is HCF by using long division method. Now probably why you should watch this video is because the quickest way to find HCF, because if you do the other two methods that will take a much longer time, and in some competitive exam you don't have that much amount of time, so we need a quick way to find HCF. So I hope this method will help you, because this is the very quickest and easiest way to find HCF. If you have a large numbers like 4 digit, 5 digits, so this method is going to work. So look the video carefully and try to do yourself. Now we shall see how to find HCF by using long division method. So steps are like this. First of all, if you are given two numbers, we'll divide the bigger number by the smaller one. Then that whatever is the remainder in the first step, we'll divide the divisor of the previous by the remainder. Now this step will be continued till we get a remainder 0, and the last divisor that we'll get will be the HCF of the given numbers. Now let's take an example. Now we shall try to find out HCF of 105 and 462. So among these two, 105 and 462, the bigger one is 462. So we shall divide 462 by 105. So in the first step, we have got the remainder 42, and our first divisor was 105. So what we'll do, we'll divide 105 by 42. That means 2 times is 84, so remainder will be 21. Again we are getting our remainder. So the previous divisor was 42. Now this will act as the dividend. When you divide 42 by 2, we get remainder 0. And since the last divisor is 21, the HCF of 105 and 462 is 21. Now let us take examples having 3 numbers. So here we have 3 numbers, 136, 170 and 255. Now in this case, we shall divide 170 and 136. So first it is 1 time, so remainder is 34. Now we'll divide 136 by 34, so we are getting a remainder 0. So that means the last divisor is 34. That means HCF of 136 and 170 is 34. Now what we'll do, the HCF that we are getting is 34 and the remaining number is 255. So we'll try to find out HCF of 34 and 255. So 34, we are going to divide 255 by 34. So we are getting a remainder 17. Now with 17, our previous divisor was 34, so we'll divide 34 by 17. Now we are getting a remainder 0. So that means the HCF of 34 and 255 is 17. So that means the HCF of the 3 given numbers will be 17. Now let us take one more example. HCF of 891, 1215 and 1377. So first of all, what we are going to find out HCF of 1215 and 891. Now in this case, as we are going to divide, first time remainder is 324. Again we are dividing the previous divisor 891. So again we are getting remainder 243. Next we are getting remainder 81. So we are dividing 243, so we are getting a remainder 0. So that means HCF of 891 and 1215 is what? 81. So now we'll find out HCF of 81 and the remaining number, that is 1377. So when we are dividing, we are getting a remainder 0. So that means the HCF of all the 3 given numbers is 81. So hope you have liked the video. Any queries, please comment and please put a like and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.